Hi, let me introduce to the former President of United States of America. His name is Donald John Trump. He is from New York. He was born on June 14, 1946. He is 75 years old. He lives in Florida. He is married. He is a person with a lot of money who influences the decisions of his nation. His political ideas change the ways of think of his country. Those are the reasons why I think he is a powerful person. Uh, these these are Fred and Mary Ann Trump. They are his parents. They had five children: Mary, Fred, Elizabeth, and Robert are their siblings. siblings. He married twice with Ivana and Melania. He has three children, Marla, Tiffany, and his son Baron. Uh, Thank you for your attention.